In the boundless expanse of the cosmos, amidst glowing nebulae and vast asteroid belts, there drifted a solitary ark. This was no ordinary vessel. Its craftsmanship was the culmination of celestial designs, guided by whispers from the maker of universes. This is the story of Noah's Ark, reborn among the stars, and the great galactic flood that changed the fate of humankind. But first, let me set the stage. I am Seraphine, the warrior space angel, your galactic guide through these chronicles of the cosmos. Together, we will embark on a journey that bridges the realms of the ancient and the infinite. Long ago, there was a man named Noah. Though the universe was vast, the corruption and chaos of its inhabitants knew no bounds. Planets once awash with life became barren wastelands, consumed by greed and war. Solar systems faltered under the weight of civilizations that squandered their gifts. In the heart of this despair, the Creator spoke to Noah, a man of unwavering faith and righteousness. Noah, the voice echoed in his dreams, reverberating like cosmic strings. I have seen the ruin throughout the galaxies. I shall bring forth a flood, a great cleansing to restore balance. Build for yourself an ark, not of wood, but of star steel. Forge it to withstand the wrath of supernovas and the crushing cold of the void. For I shall save but you, your family, and a remnant of every living kind. And so Noah obeyed. Assisted by his family, his sons Shem, Ham, and Japheth, they toiled under the light of twin suns. Using the Creator's blueprints, they constructed the starship Ark, a vessel capable of holding genetic seeds, cryogenic chambers, and habitats for beasts from countless worlds. As the Ark took shape, emissaries of the Creator, glowing beings of plasma and light, came forth to guide pairs of every creature into stasis pods, preserving them for the coming storm. Then the flood began. But this was no rainstorm. Across star systems, black holes multiplied, pulling planets and moons into their inescapable vortexes. Comets rained down like fiery arrows as the heavens declared the Creator's judgment. Entire galaxies seemed to tremble under the deluge, their orbits thrown into chaos. Yet amidst the destruction, the Ark soared. Inside its walls, Noah's family found solace in their faith, though the echoes of dying worlds weighed heavily on their hearts. They monitored the Ark's life support systems, maintained its propulsion engines, and prayed for the storm to pass. It was 40 cosmic days and 40 star-filled nights before the Ark's sensors detected calm. Finally, the ship descended onto a planet shrouded in crystalline waters, its surface reflecting the brilliance of nearby stars. The new world was a blank canvas, untouched, with fertile lands ready to flourish. Noah and his family emerged, their lungs breathing the untainted atmosphere. They released the animals and planted the first seeds of civilization on this reborn world. And there, under a kaleidoscope of constellations, a covenant was forged. The Creator imprinted a radiant spectrum in the sky, a cosmic rainbow stretching from one moon to another, as a promise never to flood the galaxies again. It was a universal sign of hope, a reminder that even in the darkest times, renewal is possible. Noah's Ark among the stars became a legend, a tale passed down through the endless generations that followed. It inspired explorers to travel with respect for the gift of creation and to remember the cost of hubris. As for Noah and his family, their names were etched not only into the annals of history, but into the very fabric of space itself, a beacon of faith and resilience. So, dear voyagers of the infinite, remember this story as you chart your own courses across the galaxies. Let it remind you of the power of faith, the importance of stewardship, and the beauty of rebirth. For the chronicles of the cosmos are timeless, echoing the eternal truths of our Maker's wisdom and love. Until next time, I am Seraphine, your steadfast warrior angel, guiding you through the divine wonders of this vast universe.